Hi, I'm Darrell and Darrin with Catalysis Additive Tooling. You probably remember a couple weeks ago we took this perfect plank tool from the customer. We reverse engineered it, we laser scanning, reversed it. And Darrin will kind of explain some of the issues with these tools. Work really well, but there's issues with them.
Delamination, yeah, you can repair them, they work. Problem is they sit on the shelf for a year and they come out and heat and humidity got to them, and then they go back to the shop. And
yeah, this is our tooling here. Catalysis 3D printed. It's a binder jet 3D printing. These tools are fully, we call isotropic in strength, X, Y, and Z. They don't delaminate. So they're good for thousands and thousands of parts. They're 100% porous, so there's no vacuum holes in here. We pull over the entire surface, so we get better part, less thinning. And the nice thing about this is it's less money than typical rental. But again, this is a great tool. There's nothing wrong with it. This is another good tool. It's just another tool in the toolbox.